Wastewater that enters into an equalization tank can vary widely. A properly designed system will homogenize the wastewater, providing downstream processes a more consistent and predictable flow and load to treat. Typically, water coming from the process source will have a varied degree of pH, TSS, FOGs, and other contaminants. Mixing of the EQ tank can be achieved in a number of ways to keep the contents uniform. Aerated slot injection will use water pulled from the tank, combine it with air from a blower, and recycle it back through the nozzle configuration inside the tank. Mixing can be achieved with or without air to address specific applications. The aspirated jet mixing pump will recycle water from the tank and draw atmospheric air through a Venturi effect, reintroducing the aerated stream back into the tank at high velocity. This is a very cost-effective and easily retrofitted solution. A mechanical mixer is used if the goal is to simply keep the water well mixed and consistent. The World Waterworks Ideal pH stand enhances the natural buffering capacity of any ideal EQ. The Ideal pH stand is a discrete, compact, and flexible system engineered for operators and maintenance personnel to perform their duties safely and effectively. To control the pH, a side stream is drawn out of the EQ tank by the recirculation pump, flows through the pH stand, then back into the tank. As the water enters the pH stand, a controlled portion flows over a pH probe for continuous measuring of the pH level. The system is designed to allow the operator to safely and easily isolate the probe for cleaning and calibration. A dedicated controller will constantly monitor the pH level and control the chemical pumps. If the pH reading dips below the set range, a caustic chemical pump will turn on to raise the pH back to the optimal level. In the same way, if the pH reading raises above the set range, an acid chemical pump will turn on to lower the pH back down. World Waterworks programs the chemical pump speeds to ramp up and down depending upon the deviation from the set pH range to prevent the pumps from overshooting. Mixing acid and caustic can cause a violent reaction if not properly managed. Because of this, World Waterworks has programmed several safeguards. A flow switch is installed on the pH stand to ensure the chemical pumps can only run if there is flow moving across the probe. The programming does not allow for the acid and caustic pumps to run at the same time. Chemical injection points are engineered into the stand to allow for dosing in a safe, controlled environment. These injection points are at a set angle to further reduce the risk of a violent reaction. An equalization system is a vital piece to the operation of any wastewater treatment plant. World Waterworks designs the ideal EQ specific for your application to be safe, simple, reliable, and low maintenance to optimize all downstream treatment processes. We at World Waterworks are ensuring our wastewater treatment systems meet today's challenges while preparing for tomorrow's needs.